2016 Chevrolet Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, stability control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power liftgate, backup camera, lane departure warning, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.